Hello guys, you use smartphone Vivo Y15S. This version 3GB memory and 32GB internal memory. Open bags, look, completion. In completion we have protected back cover, device in the blue color, okay, and completion. In completion we have only adapter and micro USB cable. Okay, and now talk about device. Device made of plastic, double camera on the back side and LED. On the front side, 6.5-inch display, power key and long keys, power key with fingerprint scanner. On this side without controls, the upside slot for 2 SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Downside, micro USB port, speaker and microphone. Okay, turn on device, IPS display, HD resolution. Okay, and open Geekbench 5. CPU we have MediaTek MT6765 octa-core processor. Look results, single core score and multi-core score, and look onto the benchmark results. Onto the benchmark results, okay. Close this and open GTA San Andreas, the mining game. Works very good, without lags and glitches on the marked graphic level. Okay, close this. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.